Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put tattoos on your notebook. So it's really easy to make. You're going to need water, scissors, and tattoos. In the notebook, of course. So open up to a clean page and you're going to put in that tattoo that you want. You can cut it out. You can get these like at stores, like you put in 25 cents and you get one. Yeah, and even at restaurants. It depends on the place you live, though, I think. So, yeah, you're gonna cut it off and take the wrapper off, stick it to the notebook, and put in some water. You can also do it on your skin if you want to. That's the purpose, but I'm doing it on the notebook. It's really cool because you can use it on like your school supplies if you want to be an extra and yeah. After you wait it for like 3 to 5 minutes, you can peel it off. Make sure you do it slowly so that you don't rip like everything off. And ta-da! You have your tattoos. I made 7 of them on my notebook, and as you can see, it's really pretty. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll upload a video soon. Bye.